Transition metals in periodic table. The transition metals are located in the middle of the periodic table. Physical properties. Compared to other metals, transition metals have higher melting points, higher densities, are harder and stronger. These are general physical properties of transition metals. There are exceptions such as mercury, which is liquid at room temperature. Like most metals, transition metals conduct electricity when they are either a solid or a liquid. They can also be described as shiny when they are freshly cut. Chemical properties. Reactions with oxygen. Most transition metals react very slowly with oxygen and some do not react at all. This is different to the alkali metals, which are generally reactive with oxygen. Some transition metals react when heated with oxygen. For example, copper plus oxygen gives copper oxide. Reactions with water. Like oxygen, transition metals react slowly or not at all with water. In the case of the transition metal iron, iron reacts with water to form hydrated iron oxide. This contrasts to the alkali metals, which are very reactive with water. Reactions with halogens. Some transition metals react with halogens. Halogens can be found in group 7 of the periodic table. For example, iron plus chlorine gives iron chloride. The transition metals share this property with the alkali metals, which also react with halogens, though very vigorously. Ions with different charges. Ions with different charges. The transition metals form ions with different charges. This is shown above. Colored compounds. Transition metals form colored compounds when they react. Other metals generally form white compounds. Iron compounds can be green, brown or red depending on the other reactant. The colors are a good way for scientists to observe which compounds are present in a substance. Catalytic activity. A catalyst is a substance that increases the rate of reaction without being used up itself. Some transition metals can be used as catalysts. For example, iron is the catalyst in the process to make ammonia.